एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू दी डॉट नेट वर्ल्ड। तो आज हम एक क्वेश्चन देखेंगे जो मुझे इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया था कि एक लाइन ऑफ क्वेरी है, सीक्वल क्वेरी। फॉर एग्जांपल, सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम टेबल नेम वेयर यूजर नेम इक्वल टू, और मैं वो यूजर नेम पास करूंगा थ्रू कोड, और मैं या फिर यूजर नेम इनपुट लूंगा फ्रॉम यूजर, और वो मैं पास करूंगा टू गेट ऑल द डेटा ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर यूजर नेम फ्रॉम डेटाबेस। तो उस कंडीशन में हम इनलाइन सीक्वल क्वेरी यूज करेंगे फॉर दैट वन लाइन ऑफ क्वेरी, और स्टोर प्रोसीजर यूज करेंगे। मींस which is a better inline SQL query or store procedure. So there are many difference between store procedure and inline query, and obviously store procedure is more good compared to the inline SQL query. Why? Because of performance, because of maintainability, because of database independence, complexity, and testing. Also, store procedure are pre-compiled form and cache, so the performance is much more better than inline SQL query. Also, we can't require to write code again and again in store procedure. So in overall, store procedure is much more better than inline SQL query. So what the question is, then why we don't want to write inline SQL query? So the answer is security, because there might be a SQL injection attack. User can put unnecessary code in the query and get the data. For example, over here you can see this is the inline query. So I am passing the username in this query and getting the data or that particular username data from database. So this username, I am taking this username from input field from user. So in this case, if user pass the data like this in the username input field, then the query will be like this. So in this case, the SQL injection attack happen. Why? Because this 1 equal to 1 will always return the value true. And in this scenario, it will not going to return only the particular username data. It will going to return all the data from that table, or if I say the users table. And in this case, the SQL injection attack happen, and security breaches. For example, if in the user table there will be a sensitive information like username and password, user ID, and other information, which are all sensitive information for that particular user. So in that case, attacker can use this data and misuse this data for his purpose. So that is why we don't go for the inline SQL query and we prefer the store procedure. Because by using the store procedure, we can pass the data through parameter and get the data from the database. और एक मैं आपको टिप देता हूँ, जब भी इंटरव्यूअर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछे and you have given the correct answer, but he didn't satisfy with your answer. So in that case, you have to be think about the security wise and performance degradation wise. बिकॉज मोस्टली इंटरव्यूअर ये देखता है कि जो भी प्रोजेक्ट हम बिल्ड करते हैं या कोड लिखते हैं, तो उसमें हम सिक्योरिटी, परफॉर्मेंस डिग्रेडेशन, ऑथेंटिकेशन, ऑथराइजेशन हैंडल किए हैं कि नहीं, या हमको ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है कि नहीं. Because whenever you build any web application or any application, these things should be considered. Security, performance degradation, or performance improvement in the code, authorization, authentication should be followed. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much.